Dictionary in Python. Dictionary in Python. Python dictionaries are collection, and it's similar to lists which allow us to connect pieces of related information so we can access this information inside the dictionaries and change the information. Note: Python dictionaries are written with curly brackets, such as this form, dic equals curly brackets. Let's see how. To do dictionaries in Python, first go to brackets and create any variable name such as dic and curly brackets. Inside these curly brackets, we can create keys and you can connect them to values. So now we will create keys with its values. Type quotation marks and type any key name you like, such as Toyota, quotation marks, value name such as Camry, comma, another key, quotation marks, cylinder, quotation marks, value name V6. Then if you want to print your dictionary, type print dic square brackets, quotation marks, and put your first key such as Toyota. Do the same thing with cylinder key. After that, try that on terminal. As you can see here, terminal printed keys values. Try to make your own dictionary now. Thank you for watching. Adding new value in dictionary. Adding new value in dictionary. Actually, you can add to dictionaries at any time you need in your program. Let's see how. So to add a key value to dictionaries, go to brackets. As you can see here, we have our previous dictionary dic. So if we want to add a new key with its value, we simply can type dic square brackets, quotation marks, your new key such as color, equal, then we put the value such as quotation marks white. Alright, so I will print now to show you the new update. Print dic square brackets, quotation marks, color, and then try on terminal. Very cool. As you can see here, the white value has been added well. Alright, now you need to do your code by yourself. Thank you for watching. Filling empty dictionary. Filling empty dictionary. We are able to create an empty dictionary in Python, then we can add new key values to it later. Let's see how. Okay, go to brackets now. So to create an empty dictionary and fill it up later, just create any dictionary name equals empty curly brackets. Then you can add new key values like what we showed in the previous lecture, such as dick, square brackets, quotation marks, Toyota equal quotation marks, and add your key value, such as Camry. You actually can add whatever keys you would like to add, like what I'm doing right now. Cool. Next, to print the whole dictionary, just type print dick. After that, try that on terminal. Pretty cool. As you can see, terminal printed the whole dictionary with its keys and values in one line. Thank you for watching. Edit a value in dictionaries. First, we'll go to brackets. It's very easy to edit the values in dictionaries. For example, if we have a dictionary called OS operating systems, key Apple, value is Mac, key Microsoft, value is Windows, keys AT&T, value is PC. Now I will show you before changing and after changing. So to be very clear, I will print a string before plus OS square brackets quotation marks AT&T, which I want to change its value. So to change that, we simply just type OS square brackets quotation marks AT&T equals quotation marks Linux. So we changed from PC to Linux. Now I will print after changing. To see that on terminal, print string marks now is space plus OS square brackets quotation marks AT&T. So I will print the full dictionary OS. See that on terminal right now. Very nice, it works great and PC value has been changed to Linux. Anyways, thank you for watching and do not forget to write your own code on your computer. Delete a key from dictionary. Go to brackets. As you can see here, we have our dictionary from the previous lecture. So to delete a key with its value in dictionary, I will make that clear for you guys. Print string marks before deletion, then print OS to show all the dictionary in the terminal. So now to delete a key, we should write the keyword del OS square brackets quotation marks your key name AT&T. I also want to print after deletion. Then print OS and try that in terminal. Alright, very nice. As we can see right here, the key and its value has been already deleted. Thank you for watching.